Now, U.S. equities are trading near a little changed, and the price of oil weakened today. What's behind these moves?
We're seeing a lot of shakiness in today's U.S. markets trading here. Investors are being whipsawed a bit. The S&P 500 is trading up near a little changed right about now toward the close here. You know, we've had some negative and positive news. Traders are really focusing on the global growth outlook. And on the positive side, we have some strong earnings results coming out from IBM, Procter & Gamble. And then on the other hand, we had the White House Council of Economic Advisors come out and say that if this partial government shutdown persists through March, then it's likely we're going to see zero economic expansion in this quarter, which is quite a bleak outlook. And in terms of commodities here, oil prices a little bit weaker, still a big focus on trade, China, and weaker global demand potentially.
Now, in terms of movers, IBM gained the most in a decade today. What was behind that rally?
Yes, we definitely cannot ignore IBM in the story today here. Shares rose more than 10% at one point today, just surging after a very positive 2019 outlook and after reported fourth quarter earnings that beat analyst expectations. IBM's consulting business actually switched from a decline to growth mode, which is quite interesting. And Morgan Stanley came out and said that this is IBM's cleanest quarter in years.
Another big mover today was Comcast. Gained its most in 6 years. What's going on there?
Yes, Comcast is another very interesting mover today, very interesting story. Shares have just been rising over the course of the U.S. trading day here after it sort of proved that it has this strong broadband service that it's going to continue to build upon here. There's been a lot of focus on that. It's been focused on selling its internet services as people turn to online platforms such as Netflix to watch their TV. It's also been providing a more faster service, which is quite interesting. And now Wall Street is just waiting to see whether or not it's able to increase its broadband customers. So that will be the next sort of data point to look out for.
Yep, true. That Netflix phenomenon is taking place here in South Africa as well. Thank you, Jessica. That's Jessica Summers with the latest from the U.S. markets.